Huwag mo iwan ang sweetie pie mo pag mag-isa. Try mo itong 5-minute trick. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. Hindi po ako vet, but I've been an animal welfare advocate for almost 25 years. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Dogs don't get anxious because you leave. They get anxious because leaving feels sudden. Before you go, gawa ka ng short, calm routine. No drama, no long goodbyes. Bigay ka ng treats paggising or a safe distraction. Then, leave quietly. Kay Cookie, ang aso namin, pag nagpapaalam ako sa kanya, sasabihin ko lang, "Sweetie pie, I'm going to leave. Babalik ako agad, I'll be coming back." Then, hindi siya maghuhula. Pero, pag nakita niyang biglang wala kami, ay nako, iiyak lang ng para siyang kinakatay. So, ang ginagawa namin, maski tulog siya, papaalam ako, sasabihin ko, "Cookie, I'll be leaving now. Be good, ha?" And then, pag tulog na tulog, di lang kami papansinin. At pag nagising siya, okay lang sa kanya. So, pag calm and exit mo, over time, hindi sila magpapanik. Kasi they associate your exit or yung pag-alis mo with calmness. So, anong lesson dito? Confidence is built in small moments. Share this tip with dog parents struggling with separation anxiety.